Shalomchen friends!
Shalomchen!
In the last video you have seen the Hitway. It's a very nice e-scooter and very easy to tune. And today we will show you the Ninebot Edition of how to make every e-scooter faster. So there are some points we have to mention. This is a Ninebot G30 and it has a 3.0 controller. After 2022 you can have the 3.1 controller. It's a black one. And so you have to use Dash. If you have the 3.0 controller, the old one, you can use the free method and it's scooter hacking utility.
Yeah, we will show you that. But in this case, we use Dash. Dash costs a little bit money, but yeah, if you have a black controller, you don't have another option. And yeah, we will show you the free version first, but the settings we will show you in the other version because the settings are the same. So the free version is scooter hacking utility, and he said an update, but we don't need this at the moment. If you load this, please install the update. If you click in the top right corner on config, it says scooter hacking firmware not detected. Please install scooter hacking firmware from the flash tab to access the config tab. Now just click and yeah, he said outdated app, you have to update. But if it works, you can click on flash. Just choose a version from the list appears here, and click on flash.
It's very easy, but we have to mention if you have the newest firmware on the controller, it's after 1.7.3 firmware, you have
it's restricted. It will not work.
It's restricted. You have,
but you don't you don't break your scooter, but it's not.
You have to buy a new controller with a lower version, or you have to use ST-Link and downgrade your controller. If you have the older version, you are good to go. So we are showing you the method for the older version. We can show you the ST-Link downgrade in another video if you want to. So put some comments in the description and maybe we'll make a video about it.
Yeah, now we want to show you the Dash version. It's very good, but yeah, it costs a little bit money, but you can use the black controllers too. Just click here on Dash. Dash is only available for Android and you can download it in the App Store. And now click in the down right corner and click on Ninebot Scooter.
This works for G30 Ninebots, F40 Ninebots, ES30 Ninebots. It's a long list.
If you download the app, there's a list in the Play Store that is available with this app. And now, my friends, you have started the app, and in the middle there will be stand expand scooter functionality now. And if you click on this, you have to pay for it if you do it the first time. And if you do this, just wait a minute, and yeah, then you have this shit.
It's a very long list of settings. We can make a detailed video about it, so we are showing you in this video only the basics so that you can drive faster.
Yeah, okay, you have profile 1, boot profile. This is a profile that is the legal version if you just normal start with scooter. In this profile we put the legal settings. In our case is it 22 kilometers per hour at max speed. So you have here the eco mode. In the eco mode you can put the P max power output at 10A.
Put the same settings. It's
yeah. Just put the settings here.
The scooter is 2 years old and never burned away, so it's safe.
Yeah, it's very safe. In drive mode, just put P max power output 15A. This here with CRC, it's okay at 0.7. For max speed, it's 17-18 kilometers per hour. It's okay. And in the sport mode, just put 25 is stock. It's a stock value. And for max speed 22, it's the maximum legal here in Germany. and yeah, then click on save. And now you are here on settings, combination to boot into profile 2. This is the combination you have to do at the start of the scooter, where you can go to the second profile. In this case is press brake and press roll. That means if you start the scooter, we can show you.
To boot in the next menu, you have to, in Ninebot version is very stupid, but brake, pull the throttle and start. Wait a minute. So you have changed the menu.
Yeah, now it says 39 kilometers per hour. And now I show you how to make this. 1 second. So I connect to the scooter.
If you start it now normally, you will drive 20 kilometers per hour in our case.
Yeah.
You can put it on 25 if you are in Luxembourg or in Spain or in Österreich.
So my friend, now click here on profile and on secondary. This is the secondary profile with 39 kilometers per hour. 39 kilometers per hour you only will reach with a Gen 2 motor. With the original Gen 1 motor, 30.
Yeah. Ninebot is slow. Xiaomi is a little bit faster. Maybe we will make a video about Xiaomi too. It's a little bit different. To have some
yeah, a few values are a little bit different, but
and you have to
yeah, you have to watch out that you don't break your dashboard by Xiaomi.
In Xiaomi you have a restriction in the dashboard, not in the controller. It's a little bit different, but
yeah, that you can't connect to the app. But now I show you eco mode and drive mode. You can choose the values that you want. In our case, drive mode, don't know, 25 kilometers per hour.
8000!
And in the sport mode, this is, yeah, you can P-max power output at 30. This is the max you can choose. Idea throttle CRC, I will put on 1.5, it's enough. And Firmware speed on 45 kilometers per hour. If you made this 90 kilometers per hour, then you can...
Now, if we start the scooter normally, I put it out, I put it on, and 22, it's legal here in Germany. I put it out, pull the brake, the throttle and the big 2 Sekunden warten und 39 kilometers. Oh, it sounds very stark.
Sounds very good, my friend. And yeah, that was all for this video, I think.
Yeah.
We don't forget something. If you have questions, you can ask in the commentary section below. Please subscribe to our channel that we can buy us a little bit Brötchen.
Maybe we get some subscribers here in English too, and we can, yeah, we can reveal some EU scooters or some power scooters. That's not legal here in Germany.
Yeah, in Germany,
it's
you can't breathe. It's illegal.
Everything is illegal here in Germany. Okay, thank you for watching and yeah, tschüss.
Möchtest du auch ein Malzbier, Robert?
Gib mir mal ein Malzbier.